Welcome back to the course. In this video lecture, I will show you how you can earn money with ChatGPT by providing copywriting services. Copywriting is the act of creating persuasive written content that encourages a reader to take a certain action, such as making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or downloading a report. Copywriting is used in various areas, including advertising, marketing, and sales. It requires a combination of creativity, marketing knowledge, and a clear understanding of the target audience. And almost every business needs a copywriter. So you can offer to write blog posts, articles, about us sections, FAQs, product descriptions, company's mission and vision. So we have a free tool that we're going to use. It's called ChatGPT. So this entire course is about this. And let's say that you want to offer copywriting services on Fiverr, Upwork, or any other platform. So you can tell ChatGPT to write a 500-word blog post about real estate investing. So great. ChatGPT generated a 500-word blog post about real estate investing. So let's say you are offering your services on Fiverr and you have a specific client that has a real estate company or agency and they want to start posting on the blog post and they want to hire you, and you can use ChatGPT to generate this type of article and submit it to your client. And then you can also ask ChatGPT to give a heading and a subheading to this article. And you can now copy this, paste it to a Word doc, and edit it a little bit. Or you can offer specific service, for example, writing a FAQ sections to a specific topic. So I can then continue this thread and say that to write FAQ section with 5 questions for this article. Perfect. We generated a well-drafted and a well-composed FAQ section. So this can be for any industry, business, or category. You can really utilize ChatGPT to do the hard work for you. And you can also ask ChatGPT to write the company mission for a real estate agency. So I asked ChatGPT, write a mission statement for a real estate agency. And you see that ChatGPT gave you a pretty good template where you just need to change the agency name with the company's name. Let me show you some of the top earners on Fiverr and Upwork who are actually providing this type of services to the clients. So in Fiverr, I will type in copywriting. And you see there are a lot of freelancers offering this type of services. Actually, there are 11,000 services available. For example, this freelancer is a top-rated seller, and she does professional copywriting for a website or print ad. And for 500 words of copy plus research, she charges $100. So what we asked ChatGPT is that he should write 500-word blog post about real estate investing, and it generated the response in 15 seconds. You can charge $100 for this type of article. And if a client needs more words, you can always charge extra. And this freelancer has almost 5,000 reviews and currently 23 orders in queue. So you see that there's a lot of potential where you can utilize ChatGPT to provide high quality service and charge a lot of money for that. You can also check out other freelancers to see what you're competing with. So this guy is also a top rated seller. And he will deliver the only copywriting you ever need. So for 50 words, he's charging $35. And for 500 words, he's charging $260. So you see that there's a lot of opportunity in the copywriting space. On Upwork, we can also search for freelancers and we can type in copywriting. And you see that this freelancer has earned over $3,000 already. She's charging $60 per hour. And she's actually translating from English to Danish. And you can do that and offer this type of service as well. This guy is copy and content writer. He charges $68 per hour. So if you prefer to list your services, you can charge per hour or per project. So copywriting is a very broad term and you can do a lot with it. So you can write specifics like frequently asked questions, company's mission and vision, and you can be a niche seller on Fiverr, or you can do and create a lot of gigs that are offering different services. Thank you for watching.